The speaking forth of what is within the heart of God is God Himself speaking into existence creatively what is within Him, and in so doing, create into the natural realm from out of the spiritual realm. The writer of the letter to the Hebrews explained it as follows. Hebrews 11:3. Faith convinces us that God created the world through His Word. This means what can be seen was made by something that could not be seen. So, the material things therefore came into existence by a creative word that God spoke from out of Himself. Also, Romans 1 verse 20. From the creation of the world, God's invisible qualities, His eternal power and divine nature, have been clearly observed within what He made. As a result, people have no excuse. Wow! God's almighty and sovereign creative word, let there be. And it was.